What up, world? Your man Flipping Lincoln here. This is going to be another part of the trailer, the car trailer redo, rebuild, however you want to look at it. I did the passenger side slash right side last video. This is going to be the driver's side slash left side today. I prepped the surface the best I could. Try to do a little more stick welding, learn as I go. I retouched, I touched up the right side before this video, just see if I could do it. Got a little, definitely better penetration on the weld and everything, so we're gonna go forward now. All right, so we're gonna try to proceed and get this video going. Got my little trusty rusty glove here. Like I said, I'm definitely a novice at this, so let's just try, see what we can do. I put the eyelet right here in line with the crossbar for strength. I really hate when that happens. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. All right, we're gonna try to get back to it. Putting this thing back on. Pause thing again. All right, back at it again. Shoot. All right, back in a second.